I present to you 2 recipes for pancakes. The first recipe is interesting because we make it in a bottle, it gets dirty at a minimum of dishes and it is convenient to store the dough in the refrigerator. First we put dry products into a plastic bottle with a volume of 1.5 liters, sugar 3 tablespoons, half a teaspoon of salt, now 10 tablespoons with a heap of flour. Fill in vegetable oil, 2 eggs, and 600 grams of milk. Screw on the cap and shake the bottle well. The dough is ready. Pour the dough from the bottle into the pan in portions and fry the pancakes on both sides. Then grease the pancake with butter. Enjoy your meal. I use this recipe for stuffed pancakes. The pancakes are thin and not sweet. Pour 2 cups of flour into a deep bowl. Add half a tablespoon of sugar and a pinch of salt. Stir dry foods. Now add 2 eggs, a tablespoon of melted butter and mix a little with flour. The last ingredient is 3 cups of water. Mix everything and the dough is ready. Fry pancakes on both sides in a pan greased with vegetable oil. Remove the pancake and lightly grease with butter. Let cool, lay out any filling and twist into a roll. Bon appetit! Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you!